Hey everyone, in this quick tech how-to video, I'm going to show you how to add or edit a recovery phone number to your Gmail account. Adding a recovery number to your account is a great way to prevent losing access to Gmail. How many times have you forgotten a password and have been frustrated by being locked out of an account? By doing this right away, you'll always have a backup to get into your Gmail account. To do this, start by heading to the Gmail site at mail.google.com and making sure that you're signed into your account. Next, hit the settings gear on the top right and then see all settings. Choose the Accounts and Import tab at the top. Now inside of here, select Change Password Recovery Options. This will then take you to the security settings page on your Google account. Scroll down to the Ways we can identify if it's you section and choose Add a mobile phone number next to Recovery Phone. You will then need to enter your password again and then hit Next. Select Add Recovery Phone, enter your phone number, and then hit Next. Confirm your phone number again and then hit Get Code. Google will then text you a code that you'll have to enter and verify on the next screen. Once you confirm, your phone number will then be added as a recovery option on your Google account. And if you ever need to edit or remove the phone number, you can always come back inside of here and make changes to it by hitting the edit or delete button. And that's how you add or edit a recovery phone number to your Gmail account. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and stay tuned for more quick tech how-to videos.